What's going on this morning, family? This is my mobile welding booth stand. So this is the stand setup actually broke down. I'm gonna have it fixed up here in a minute. I'm actually gonna take it to the end of the cafe bar, which I'm starting to get things lined out for the welding session. So wanted to show you one of my designs. I actually will be selling this design for those who are teachers or will be teaching or just want their own booth to be able to do certain things. I'm gonna have the stand, the welding stand, and actually I'm gonna design a welding booth that can be portable, mobile, and also stationary, and just a couple things that we need being independent. You know what I mean? If we're teaching, if we're learning, if we fabricating, it's just certain things I feel like that we just have to have, and it's good to have our own product. So this is one of my products, the welding positioning stand. So just wanted to give you an update, show you what I'm doing. About to get ready to leave the headquarters and get my hog on this morning. Y'all be blessed.